Good morning. I'm Debbie Chronister. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I am so glad you are joining me this morning for Wake Up Wednesday. So I have a fun project to show you. And so today I'm going to show you something that I've been working on, and we're going to make a card. So I started with the Pretty Party Kit. And this is just a pretty kit anyway. I mean, it's got beautiful images and just really fun things to work with. I took our Pretty Party Kit, which makes 3 of each card, makes 9 cards. And I believe I have 18 cards once we finish this one today. So I am going to show you those cards for today. So it comes with, this Pretty Party comes with a block. It's not our standard, one of our blocks. It's a kit block. So it's just a very simple, thin block, but it comes with a block. So at least you have something if you don't have any blocks. So it comes with that. It comes with a set of 5 stamps, and one of them is over here on my block that we're going to use today. That one goes with it. It comes with bling and the card bases and the Infirma. So the Infirma are their balloons, of course. And so it also comes with some tags. Let me show you this. This is one of them. It comes with quite a few of these. So they're kind of fun to be able to do. So let me show you. Let's see, which way do we want to go? Do I want to show you the kit? I'll show you what I've done with it first, and then we'll make it. Okay, so if you're interested, you can go to stampwithdeb.com, and there you'll be able to send me a message and I will get back to you. So if you're interested in the balloon kit, I did use balloon Festoon dies on these cards. So there is the first one. If I can just lay them out here. There's the second one, the third one, the fourth one. So you can see I brought in some product. This is Peach Pie from last year. It retired last year. I still had some left, so that was perfect. This one. The kit comes with everything die cut for you. Of course, the words are not stamped, but you will have the stamp for that. Or like with this one, this is just a simple happy birthday, which was been in a previous paper pumpkin. So that one, this one. This one is a fun fold, a W and a V fold. That one's kind of fun. And you will have written instructions. And if need be, I'll do some videos. So that one, this one, this is using the stamp. I so many times don't use the image stamps that come with it. I use the word stamps, but I don't use the image stamps. Now that will have to be fussy cut, but this is kind of a fun card as a congratulations. Or you can put any greeting you want. Now this greeting is from one of our Infirma packs, and that would be included in the kit. This one. And all your bows are tied for you, except this one, because this one wraps around, and so it will not be tied for you. This one is a Z fold. Just a fun one. This one includes one of our new designer series papers down here at the bottom. And this one was kind of dark, but the other ones would probably be lighter. This one. So I have 17 cards here, and we add the one today, it'll be 18. Birthday wishes. And it's time to celebrate. So these could be used for any occasion, a graduation, a birthday, somebody gets a promotion on a job. Your balloons are universal, right? Okay, so today I'm going to make the last one. So I had, basically this is what I had left. I have a few scraps left. This one, that's it. That's what I have left from the kit. The rest of it was gone. So I said, you know what, let's just make one more and make it a nice even number. So I took it and I die cut all the balloons I could get out of the scraps I had left. And I have cut a piece of basic black. Guess I need some adhesive, don't I? And I want some dimensionals too. Let's see. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. I'm hoping I stayed on. I forgot to turn on Do Not Disturb. Okay, so some basic black, and that's 5 1/4. No, it's not. Yes, it is 5 1/4 by 4, and then this is 3 3/4 by 5. These instructions will go on my blog. And you'll be able to see them there. Now, they will not go on there today. I can almost guarantee you that. I have a full day today. And then I have another piece that's cut at a basic black that is 5 by 3 3/4. And I'm going to attach that to the front of my card, just leaving that a nice big margin. And then I have a piece of basic white that is 1/8 of an inch smaller than that. I'm just going to go with that because right now my brain's not going there, not calculating that number. So it'd be 4 7/8 by 3 5/8. How about that? And then I embossed it. So when you do this, when you emboss with this embossing folder or any embossing folder that is deep and pulls in, see, I'm just a little short here, just a hair. So I should have cut it a 1/16 of an inch longer on this way. So always keep that in mind, what you're going to use. I wasn't sure what embossing folder I was going to use. Okay, so this is for the inside of my card. This is the front. We're going to put as many balloons as possible on here, starting with this one. And I'm just going to lay them out, and I'm going to start up at the top here. I want it to go, because I want to leave enough room to put my greeting down here. I like that. And still have, not have balloons covered up. So I'm just going to tuck that underneath there. I don't know, how do you organize balloons? That's always a challenge for me. I have a couple that have fold lines, score lines on them. I want to hide those score lines if possible. So let's, you can also take your embossing tool, or you take your pick tool, either one, and go over those score lines, but they still show. And I don't know why, but I'm tucking them under. This one should probably go over. I don't know. Let's bring them down. How do you arrange balloons? I don't know. You guys are probably much better at this than I am. These are probably way too big, sticking up way too far. But that's okay. Okay, I'm getting kind of high down here. I think we're getting to the point that we need to pop up. Can I tuck one more in? I don't want to tuck a white one next to a white one, particularly because I have so few of those. So we'll tuck this one in here. Kind of like to cover that score line, but I'm not going to worry about it. It's character. That balloon has character. Okay. I don't know if this is going to fit down here when I think about it. Okay, let's add these two with dimensionals. That's interesting. I've never seen a Staples truck in my neighborhood. There's a Staples truck in front of my neighbor's house. I don't know why a Staples truck would be there. Okay, we're going to put adhesive on here, and we have a dimensional on there. So I'm just going to pull. I want this one in the front. Yeah, I want that one in the front. So I'm going to put this one on first. I probably should have put adhesive on there instead of 2-dimensional. So let's see if we can peel that dimensional off. It did. And attach that. And we're just going to put this one. Oh, I think I'm going to go higher with that one. And I don't want to go too low. I want room. I have some black baker's twine, and it's got It's a silver. This one has to have 2 dimensionals just because of the way it lands. Okay. I have some silver. It's got silver in it, but it could look like it's white because everything in this kit is gold. So um, I'm going to use it. I have a bow already tied, and it's a double bow, and I'm just going to put that right there. Let's get our greeting on here. Now I've taken my stamp here, and well, I thought I had. Yeah, I've twisted it a little bit, just a very little bit so that it's not perfectly straight because I wanted it to go kind of follow the line of this. And I'm just going to put congratulations on here. And I probably should have got my pad, and I didn't. Not good. Okay, on this, I'm going to attach it with dimensionals. Okay, so if you're interested in this kit, you would get all the envelopes. Everything's die cut. Everything is, you'll get the stamps. There are no images stamped that are not, and they're all part of the kit. And everything will be packaged together, ready to go, ready for you to assemble or stamp and assemble. Whoops, I'm not getting off screen. There we go. Okay, so that is my card for today. Is that adorable? I think it is. So that was the using up the end of the kit. So if you're interested, go to stampwithdeb.com, and there you can register, or you can send me a note letting me know that you're interested in the kit, and then I will send you a link to register. So thanks for joining me today. I'm here every Wednesday at 11 a.m. Pacific time. I look forward to seeing you again next week. Bye-bye.